unpredictable weather. As you can see, there is snow falling on my raised beds and everywhere. And you just never know what's going to happen in Quebec, Canada, Zone 5. So if we go and check out my daffodils, if you remember, I planted 360 daffodils. I just bought a basket because it comes out cheaper. And look, they're all full of snow. They're all getting snowed on. Everybody who started to grow is just getting snowed. And it's sticking. It's actually staying on the ground. Hopefully, everybody will survive the cold. We'll see. And if we look at them, they're actually getting covered. See, that one has an orange nose. Oh, look at that. Yep. That is Zone 5, Quebec, Canada. In the snow. Oh man. Oh well, here's hoping everything survives. I hope you guys have better weather. And the greenhouse is packed with stuff with a heater on, so that's fine. Take it easy, guys.